In this video, I'll show you how to check the maximum amount of RAM your PC or laptop supports. I'll also show you how to find out the total number of RAM slots. This information can be very useful if you're planning to upgrade your device. So, let's get started. Right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Terminal. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. In the window that opens, type the command wmic and press Enter. Then, type the command memphysical get max capacity and press Enter again. A numeric value will appear on the screen. Move your cursor over this number, hold down the left mouse button and highlight it. Then, right-click to copy the value. Next, click on the search bar and type Calculator. Open the Calculator app. Right-click inside the input field and select Paste from the menu. The copied number will appear. Now, divide this number by 1024. And then divide the result by 1024 again. The final value will show the maximum amount of RAM your device supports, measured in gigabytes. In my case, it's 64 gigabytes. Now let's find out how many RAM slots your computer has. Go back to the terminal by clicking on it. Enter the following command: memphysical get max capacity memory devices, and press Enter on your keyboard. In the memory devices column, you'll see a number that represents the total number of RAM slots on your device. Thank you for watching.